Some ideas change everything. Most never get the chance. Not because they're wrong, not because the world isn't ready, but because of who encounters them first and whether they have the context to recognize what they're looking at. It's a question that has puzzled thinkers for centuries. Why do some ideas spread like wildfire, transforming the world, while others, equally profound, languish in obscurity? There's a mechanism at the heart of every monetary system, quiet, invisible, and extraordinarily powerful. It determines who benefits when new money enters the world and who pays for it later. It shapes prices, distorts markets, and redistributes wealth not through theft, but through timing. Most people never see it. They're not supposed to. Imagine a world where understanding how money truly works isn't a privilege reserved for the few, where the mechanics of finance are laid bare, not simplified into something harmless, but explained with enough clarity that you can actually see what's happening. That's a different kind of advantage. Because right now, something significant is underway. Governments carrying unsustainable debt are exporting inflation colliding head-on with the deflationary forces of AI and technological progress. The collision is already happening, and a new form of money is emerging from that collision, one that embraces deflation rather than fights it. The transition has already begun. Most people will feel the effects long before they understand the cause. The Cantillon letter exists for the ones who want to discover monetary truth and understand it first. Visit cantillonletter.substack.com